You've started to hear about radians. You're familiar with degrees, and we will become familiar with radians. We're also going to learn how to convert between the two. I'm glad you asked. What is a radian? A radian is just another way to measure an angle. A radian is associated with the radius length of a circle. Watch this little demo. Take the radius length of a circle and transfer it to the circumference of the circle. The same length would then create an angle that we call 1 radian. And you can see that a radian is much bigger than a degree. 1 radian is approximately 57.3 degrees. So a circle has 360 degrees, or 2 pi radians. We all know that pi is approximately 3.14. That means 2 pi is approximately 6.28. But we like to be exact and keep pi in our value. Let's label our degrees around the circle. 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and all the way around the circle is 360 degrees. Let's do the same thing with radians. 0 pi, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and all the way around the circle is 2 pi. Sometimes we want to be able to convert from one unit of measure to another, from degrees to radians, or possibly radians to degrees. To convert degrees to radian, you would take the given degree value and multiply by pi over 180 degrees. Those are the same value. Pi and 180 degrees are both a semicircle. So you're just multiplying by 1. You're converting the unit, however. If we wanted to multiply, or rather convert radians to degrees, we would multiply the given radian measure by 180 degrees over pi. Again, 180 degrees and pi are the same sized angle. We're just multiplying by 1, but changing the unit of measure. We always want to leave pi as pi when we're converting. Do not plug in a value or use the pi button on your calculator. We don't want decimals. Here are a couple of simple examples. We want to convert 30 degrees to radians. So we're going to multiply by pi over 180. The reason I choose that ratio is because I want the degree signs, that unit of measure, to cancel out. I want to cancel out the degrees. So I put the pi in the numerator and the 180 degrees in the denominator. The degrees will cancel out, and then I can simplify the fraction. Pi over 6 is the radian measure equivalent to 30 degrees. Converting radians, we would want to eliminate the pi. So I'm going to multiply by the fraction or ratio that has pi in the denominator. When I do that, the pi's cancel out and we can simplify the fraction. 4 pi over 9 is equivalent to 80 degrees. It's as simple as that.